Σφήνες στο εσθένο. Περισσότερο άμα το σπρώχνουμε με τη σκύλα θα έρθετε περισσότερο.
Absolutely amazed. My knees are shaking a little bit because I wasn't expecting this. I mean, it's a very sacred spot, and I mean, you feel that sacredness when you go into the building, and especially into the shrine itself. You see the pilgrims who are in ecstasy as they go in, and they're seeing something that they've believed in all their life, and that feeling of specialness, it just permeates the whole building.
The slab of marble on the top of what's believed to be Jesus' tomb has just been removed, and archaeologists are now analysing what's underneath it. The aim being, can they see at the bottom where the rock goes back to and date it back to the time of when Jesus would potentially have been around.
Our ground penetrating crater could not work within the holy rock.
So I would like to
I'm
look at it.
amazed.
That's the goal for this week, to say, this is it. This is the GPS point that was first found in the 3rd century AD. I mean, that's the weight of history in your hands.